Ants, the tiny giants of the world. Part 1, Ants, small but mighty. Ants are small, but they are mighty. Despite their size, they are some of the strongest creatures on Earth. An ant can carry objects that are 10 to 50 times its own body weight. Imagine if you could lift a car. That's how strong ants are in comparison to their size. They work tirelessly, often seen carrying food or tiny pieces of leaves back to their nests. Their teamwork is what makes them so powerful. Ants live in large colonies, which can have hundreds, thousands, or even millions of ants. Each ant has a specific job. Some ants are workers who gather food and build the nest, while others protect the colony as soldiers. Then, there is the queen, whose primary role is to lay eggs and grow the colony. Part 2, The World of Ants. Let's take a closer look at the world of ants. If you look closely at an ant, you'll notice its body is divided into three main parts: the head, the thorax, and the abdomen. The head has powerful jaws for biting, chewing, and carrying things. Ants also have antennae, which help them smell, touch, and communicate with each other. Ants have a unique way of communicating. They don't talk like humans, but they use chemicals called pheromones to send messages. For example, when an ant finds food, it leaves a scent trail back to the colony so other ants can follow it to the food source. It's like leaving a map for others to follow. Part 3, Ants as amazing builders. Did you know ants are also incredible builders? Some ant colonies build nests underground, while others construct them in trees or inside logs. There are even ants that build floating nests on water using their bodies. Each nest is carefully designed with different chambers for storing food, caring for the young, and housing the queen. One of the most famous ant structures is the anthill. Anthills can look like simple piles of dirt on the surface, but they are actually the entrance to a complex underground city with tunnels and rooms. These tunnels help ants move safely between the colony and their food sources. Part 4, Ants and their diet. Ants have a diverse diet, which depends on the species. Some ants love sugary foods, like nectar and fruits, while others prefer protein-rich meals, such as other insects or small pieces of meat. You might see ants gathering food from plants, soil, or even your kitchen floor. In one of the images, we can see an ant nibbling on a piece of fruit. This shows how ants are excellent scavengers, picking up food from all kinds of places. They play a crucial role in the ecosystem by cleaning up dead insects, decaying plants, and leftover food. Part 5, The Role of Ants in Nature. Ants are essential to our environment. They help aerate the soil, which improves plant growth, and they are also predators of pests that can damage crops. In some ecosystems, ants are key players in seed dispersal, helping plants spread and grow in new areas. Without ants, many plants would struggle to survive. Ants are also a food source for many other animals, including birds, lizards, and even some humans. Yes, in some cultures, ants are eaten as a delicacy. They are rich in protein and are considered a nutritious snack. Part 6, Ants and Humans. While ants are beneficial to nature, they can sometimes be a nuisance to humans, especially when they invade our homes. However, there are ways to live in harmony with these tiny creatures. Simple measures like keeping food sealed and cleaning up crumbs can help keep ants out of your house. Despite being small, ants have a big impact on the world around us. They teach us about teamwork, resilience, and the importance of every member in a community. Just like ants, when we work together, we can achieve incredible things. So, next time you see an ant, take a moment to appreciate its hard work and the role it plays in the world. These tiny giants remind us that no matter how small we are, we all have an important part to play.